So,
It's morning here.
I'm on my way to the gym. I woke up like super early because the sun is out here at like 5. I need to get one of those diva masks. After the gym, I'm gonna go to Humahuaca. I'm gonna cross the border. Hope everything goes smoothly. We'll see from there. All set, ready to go. I'll eat a quick lunch. These potato thingies. Sure if you can see them before I hit the road. It was a nice little second breakfast. It's the gas station there. Yesterday I wanted to get some gas and there was a big line like this. This is somewhere where you really see white privilege get into play. The people of the gas station were like, yeah, just come in front. Yeah, come here, gringo. It's all good. It's all good. They want to show people who are from outside of Bolivia that Bolivia is a nice country, so they're extra nice to you, which is a bit weird. But yeah, I'm not going to say no to it. We're going out of the city to Villazon. It's at the border of Bolivia and Argentina. The total trip is about 3.5 hours. It will probably take longer because we're going to cross the border. I hope everything will go smoothly. I've got a full tank. I don't have extra gasoline with me because I probably won't need it. 250 kilometers will easily get there. There you go. You can barely see these speed bumps and they're really gnarly. Yeah, if you hit it, you're getting bounced up a lot. So that's another goal of me. To not get distracted. Look at that smoke, by the way. Get out of here. To not get distracted too much. Focus on the road. Look for the speed bump. Because every time I hit one with like full speed or high speed, I do not like it. I do not like it. Not for my bike and not for the way my backpack is strapped on my bike. The way my backpack is strapped on my bike is really nice. I can sit super comfortably. I'm getting better at it any day, just as I said, every day. Something I'm noticing as well. The more south we go, the earlier the break of dawn. Man, I had a bad night's sleep. I went to bed at like 10:30 and I woke up at 5 because it was already light out. So I need to drink some coffee. I have some coca leaves on the way to Argentina to not, hopefully not get one of those sleep-induced accidents, which you hear about a lot. So it's 78 kilometers on this road, probably to get to the border village, which is a pretty nice road. I like it so far. Asphalted roads, nice curves, beautiful landscape. Apparently the roads are even better in Argentina. Oh, well, there are some speed bumps. It's kind of hard to overtake these big buses because of the curves. But I'm going to take my shot when I get it. No, I'm not going to do it. No. I took those risks quite some times before. And I told myself I'm not going to do it unless I'm absolutely sure. For now. Whoa, carajo. Jesus. So, usually within the first couple of minutes of riding, I always stop to make sure my back is strapped right. But I'm looking at the back of me and it just feels good. I'm sitting comfortable and I just want to go. I just want to get further. And look at this view. Beautiful. Wait a bit. Oh, Jezus, jeetje. Jeetje. Dog's just being protective. Alright with it. Usually they only come barking and not biting. As long as they're not biting, I'm fine with it. I'm gonna make a stop. Oh putain. I'm gonna make a stop to take some coca leaves for the height, to drink some water, and just check if my bag is alright. Seems like as good a place as any to make a stop here at the side of the road. Right. As you can see, my bag super tight. Proud of myself. All right. If you look at this, there's just so much of nothingness. It really makes you feel small. It also makes you feel super adventurous, which of course is the reason why I'm doing all this. All set. There's quite a lot of military in these regions, and that's because there's quite a lot of paramilitaries in this region. When I was visiting Colombia, they also had them a lot. As you can see, within just a couple of 100 meters, there were like 6 or 7 shrines maybe. Which, if it represents what I think it represents, it's not a good sign for me. I'll be extra careful on this road. As I'm talking, there's another one right over there. 2 actually. I'm gonna go and focus on the road right now. So these roads have been really straightforward. The highway, mostly one straight way, which is really nice for making progress, of course, but it is a bit boring as well. It's about 18 more kilometers towards the border of Argentina. From there you can go into Route 40, which is the longest road of Argentina and maybe even of South America. It goes all the way from northern Argentina to southern Argentina, and it's about 5,000 kilometers long. I think. I have to look it up. As you can see, it's a lot of driving like this, which is not particularly too fun. It might be fun to get to top speeds, but I'm not too much of a speedster myself. I'm gonna close my jacket and quit filming because it's getting cold. We're approaching the border city. This is a village just in front. I forgot the name of the village, but that means just a couple more kilometers, then we're in Argentina. But before that, border crossing, customs. I hope they're nice to me. This is the border. Gonna do my thing now. Oh, awesome. For the backpackers. Buenas. ¿Dónde tengo que ir? Yo quiero ir a Argentina. Para los pasaportes.
Ya, la moto ahí, déjalo por favor.
Sí.
También ahí.
Ya. Ah, qué bien. ¿Dónde están? Perú. Qué bien. Okay.
Ya. Tiene que hacer migración Bolivia, aduana Bolivia, migración Argentina.
Ok, yo voy ahí.
Primero ahí,
Después
luego
aquí.
aquí y luego allá, migración
Ok,
Argentina.
gracias. ¿Es seguro mi bolsa, mi mochila aquí? Sí, gracias. Alright, I'm gonna close this. First step done. So we're about 1.5 hours further. It's not really clear what I have to do here, but we're getting there slowly, I hope. Whoa. 3.5 hours standing in line and waiting for things to go through. So hungry. In Argentina. People told me the roads were better in Argentina, but first impression, they're not. Pretty cool though. Just saw a sign, 1900 kilometers to Buenos Aires. Gonna be a heck of a trip. Back on the road! About 80 kilometers of this road. I won't bore you too much with the details. Exactly what it is, but it's about 30 more kilometers to the other road. I also want to say, because these roads are just one way through, keeping the same speed, I'm noticing I'm kind of zoning off. Maybe it's because I stood in line for so long, maybe it's because I'm hungry, maybe it's because I didn't sleep too well. Ah, damn. There's a village there! I'm gonna get some lunch there, that village, I hope! Let's see if they have something. Maybe fill up my tank as well. There's a gas station, it looks abandoned. Nah, no shot. Do that. Check it out. Looks super abandoned. Buenas, ¿hay gasolina? Gracias. Bye. Look at that. Qué bien. Dog on a motorcycle. How you been doing? All right, on my way. Just asked the lady from the gas station. It's 1 more hour. 1 more hour to Humahuaca, which isn't too far. I wanted to get there earlier, but I was delayed by 3 hours. Oh, putain. 3 hours at the customs. There you go, Humahuaca, 80 kilometers. Easy peasy, 1 hour. Look at that view, huh? That looks nice. Really sharp winds. The roads are still a bit like this, so to continue speaking into the microphone is gonna be difficult. Well, it's not gonna be difficult, but it's just not really understandable because of the wind and the high speeds, high velocities. I'll check it out a bit later. You can just hear the winds. They're crazy up here. It's the coldest I've been so far on the trip. I can't be fucked to take out my thermal. Damn, these winds are searing. 55 kilometers. Let's try to do that in half an hour. Pretty sure it's possible. Beautiful here though. Look at these mountains. It almost looks fake. Ah. Just look at that view. It looks like it's drawn. It's like a painting or something. Woo! As I'm going around this corner, the weather doesn't look too good. I hope I can get in Humahuaca in time. It's about 35 kilometers. Say about 20 minutes. Let's hope I won't hit the storm. I'm gonna go a bit faster. Damn, it was freezing. Amigo, disculpe, ¿puedes decirme dónde están como hostels? Hostales. Sí. ¿En qué parte? ¿Es un poco más allí? Ya, gracias. It might be there. We're there. So I'll fix this, yeah. Let's see. Looks about right.